Neutron Wallet app. The pros, the cons. You've probably heard about cross-chain apps before, but few make the process as seamless as the Neutron Wallet app. Designed for the Cosmos ecosystem, Neutron helps users interact securely with smart contracts across multiple blockchains all in one place. But is it as good as it sounds? Let's break it down. Starting with the pros. The Neutron wallet is powered by the Cosmos CC, which means it benefits from Cosmos interoperability and scalability. It allows you to access DeFi projects, stake tokens, and interact with decentralized applications built across different if-compatible chains without juggling multiple wallets. One of the app's biggest strengths is its user experience. It's clean, responsive, and optimized for mobile and desktop, making cross-chain activity feel effortless. The built-in governance tools let users participate directly in network decisions, which adds a layer of community ownership. Security-wise, Neutron Wallet is non-custodial. Your private keys remain stored locally, never on centralized servers. Combined with encrypted recovery options and optional biometric security, it ensures you stay in control of your assets. Another standout feature is gas efficiency. Because it runs on the Cosmos ecosystem, transactions are generally faster and cheaper than Ethereum-based wallets, a big plus for everyday users. However, there are some drawbacks. The wallet's primary limitation is its focus on the Cosmos ecosystem. If you want to trade or store assets from non-IP blockchains like Bitcoin or Solana, you'll need a bridge or another wallet. Also, while the technology behind Neutron is strong, it's still relatively new. That means fewer integrations and a smaller user base compared to established players like Kepler or MetaMask. In conclusion, the Neutron Wallet app is a powerful choice for anyone exploring Cosmos and its expanding universe of chains. It offers speed, security, and interoperability that traditional wallets can't match. If you're a fan of centralized innovation and want to experience true cross-chain connectivity, Neutron is worth a serious look, especially before it becomes a go-to wallet for the next wave of multi-chain DeFi users.